Welcome back friends to Tech Unbox Pro, where we bring you honest, powerful, and detailed smartphone reviews. Today, we are taking a complete look at the Infinix Note 13 Pro 5G, a smartphone that is creating massive hype in the budget and mid-range 5G market. Starting with the design, the Infinix Note 13 Pro 5G looks premium and stylish. It features a sleek body with a solid build quality that feels comfortable in the hand. The phone gives a flagship vibe, especially with its clean back panel and bold camera module. Now let's talk about the display, which is one of the biggest highlights. The device comes with a large 120Hz AMOLED display that delivers sharp visuals, deep blacks, and vibrant colors. Whether you are watching videos, scrolling social media, or playing games, the experience feels smooth and immersive. Performance-wise, the Infinix Note 13 Pro 5G is powered by a capable 5G processor that handles daily tasks, multitasking, and gaming very efficiently. Apps open quickly, and even heavy games run smoothly with stable frame rates. This phone is a great option for gamers looking for strong performance on a budget. Coming to the camera, Infinix has done an impressive job. The 200 megapixels primary camera captures highly detailed photos with excellent clarity and color accuracy. Daylight shots look sharp, and night photography is also well optimized. The front camera delivers clean and natural selfies, making it perfect for social media and video calls. Battery life is another strong point. The phone packs a large battery that easily lasts a full day on normal to heavy usage. With fast charging support, you can quickly power up your phone and get back to work without waiting too long. On the software side, the phone runs on the latest Android version with Infinix's custom UI, offering smooth animations, useful features, and good optimization. Overall, the Infinix Note 13 Pro 5G is a complete package. It offers a premium display, powerful performance, a massive camera upgrade, and reliable battery life, making it one of the best value for money 5G smartphones. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro, and share it with your friends. See you in the